Okay, are you eager to get started? If you are, let's begin. In this chapter, we will create the outline of the nose. We will start with the structure, and then on to the first draft, second draft, finally the inking. I'm using a canvas to fit my screen size, and I've turned the orientation to landscape. Next, insert the original photo and crop it to show only the nose. Okay, let's get started. Add a new layer. We will start with the outline. Okay, I'm using the Peppermint brush. You can use any color. I will use a bright color. We reference the structure of the entire face by drawing an axis down the middle. Every time we draw a face, we should make a general outline first. Then we can reference the lines from the outline we have created. We have the first line down the middle, then we're next. The nose line is here, because when we outline, there will be a circle, right? That circle will meet this line right here, which is the nose line, right at the end of the nose. Then there is the eye line too. We need to have this line also. We always draw the eye line through the middle of the eyes like this. After we've done the eye line, we can see what there is from the end of the nose to the nose bridge between the eyes. In addition, we also have lines by the inner eyes. Let's draw the inner eye lines too. As always, draw them parallel to the middle axis. Now we know where these parts are located. Once we have an outline like this, we can draw a circle by the end of the nose just here. A circle. Use your fingers to touch the screen too. By the end of the nose, you can see that it's circular around here. We've got a circle. Now try to find one of the most important parts of the nose, the bridge. It's here. We can see that the nose has a slight convex, which is here. I will draw it like this. Here too. Mostly it's symmetrical. I will draw it downwards. Keep it parallel to the other line, like this. Now we can see that the nose bridge here. After that, we start our draft. Keep checking if the lines slant in the original. The first line, second line, it's slightly slanted. After that, the eye line. It's about here. Okay. Now let's check to see where the line is for the inner eyes. Around here is the correct position. Then draw it. Don't forget the other side too. After we measure the position of the line, we can draw it. This side is slightly narrower, just a little. After that, the line for the bridge of the nose. Let's check where this line should go. I think it's about 1/3 of the distance between these lines. About here. Draw it. There's another line too. It's symmetrical. Don't forget the circle. Touch the screen. I will move it up slightly. Use the selection and transformation tools. This will help you move it to the correct position. Okay. Now we have all the lines we need. The next step is to do the first draft. Change the name. Choose the Eaglehawk brush. Choose a color, any color. Let me draw here. By the nose bridge. Just so we know that this is the nose bridge. Here is slightly curved, so we draw it like that. There is a slight shadow line here. When we draw eyes, we always draw this line, but we can also draw it here. It's fine. Now let's look at the end of the nose. The end of the nose will go along the line of this circle here. I'm drawing the end of the nose first. Keep checking with the original. Here. There's a nostril. Draw it in the middle of this square. And up to here. Draw a small nostril. Don't make it too big. The other side too. There is the nose wing too. The other side, on this side, the nose wing doesn't meet this line. There's a little bit of space, like this. With just this, we've got a nose. A little bit more. Here, there's a curve above the lip. We add some more lines. Also, there's a line here, just so we know where the nose bridge is located. Draw it here too. Okay, so with just this, we have the first draft of the nose. It's very easy, such little work. I will close the reference lines first, and then add a new layer. I think because the lines are not complicated, we don't need to do a second draft. Let's go straight to inking. Change the name. Or if you're not confident, you can do a second draft first using the Peppermint brush. For this one, I think there aren't many lines. So you're probably ready to go straight to inking, because you've already done more complicated drawings, right? We've done the eye chapter already. The nose is very easy. I will choose the Freya inking pen brush. This one is sharp. Choose a black color. Draw the inking layer. Gently, don't put too much weight. Then paint it black here. Just a little bit. Like this. Draw this line gently. As you can see, it still looks flat. I think we should add something extra. I think to make the nose bridge look higher, we need to draw a line by the bridge too. I will draw it gently here. Draw it like this. We need to be aware of our hands. Okay, how is it? It looks more convex. It's better. Okay, how was it? Nose drawing is very easy. If you've gone through both the eyebrows and the eyes, this one is easy peasy. Like I said in the previous chapters, I've prepared different outlines for you guys. Maybe you can use them and practice with them. If you want to practice inking 3 other styles of nose, you can go to the nose tracing chapter where I teach about tracing and inking.